Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set a domain homepage on System.io. This is incredibly useful when you want visitors to land directly on your blog or sales funnel when they visit your domain, creating a seamless and professional experience right from the start. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your System.io dashboard where all your tools and features are accessible. Now look at the top toolbar on your screen. You'll see several options displayed there. Navigate to Sites, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Blogs. This will take you to a page showing all the blogs you've created within your System.io account. It's a straightforward way to access and manage all your blog content in one place. Next, hover your mouse over the specific blog you want to set as your domain homepage. As you do this, you'll notice three dotted lines appear right beside the blog name. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu with additional options. From this menu, select Settings. This opens up the configuration panel where you can make important adjustments to how your blog functions. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled URL path. This field controls what appears in the web address after your domain name. To set this blog as your homepage, you'll need to delete the existing URL path completely. After clearing it out, click Save to confirm your changes. This ensures that when someone visits your domain, they'll land directly on this blog without any additional path in the URL. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to set a sales funnel as your domain homepage instead, there's a similar process. Click on Sites in the top toolbar again, but this time select Sales Funnels from the drop-down menu. This will display all the funnels you've built. Click on the specific funnel you want to set as your domain homepage. This will open up the funnel's overview page where you can see all its steps and components. Now navigate to the URL path section just like before. Delete the existing URL path completely to make this funnel your homepage. The beauty of this method is that your changes will automatically save when you click outside the field, so there's no need to hunt for a save button, and there you have it. You've successfully configured your domain homepage on System.io, whether through a blog or a sales funnel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.